Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. Today I will teach you about your family. Means that if you visit an office, if you visit a university or college, they will ask you to introduce yourself. You have to discuss about yourself. Means that you will say that my name is, my qualification, my profession, my future goal, etc., etc. After that, they will ask some questions about your family. You should have clear concept about your family. I will teach you step by step procedure, or I will teach you some steps. If you want to be fluent, you have to follow my tricks. The first thing is that you should have good command in English. By learning the most basic English sentence patterns, question phrases, you can start dialogue in every field very easily. English is a language. You have to work for it. So, I will say that you should practice. Get goals to learn English by yourself. Make an English study plan. Use English in immersion. Start with your children's books, movies, TV shows. Listen to anything, everything in English. Learn with English music. Watch YouTube, TV shows and movies. Practice speaking in English. Why my English is not improving? Because you are not reading enough English content or books. You are expecting results overnight. You are relying too much on your native language. You are not learning the same amount as when you were a beginner. So you can improve your English by conversation. You should conversate with your friends, family, or with your teacher. As I have provided my contact number right here, if you want to take live class on daily basis, you may contact me for live class or recorded lecture. It's up to you whether you want to take live class or whether you want to take recorded lecture. You will be fluent in English after this course. Today I will teach you about family. Here are a few questions. I will ask these questions from you. You have to process these questions in your mind. After that, you will be fluent in English. And whenever anybody or someone asks you about your family, you will answer him very perfectly. Here are a few questions. How many members or how many people are there in your family? You will say that here there are 5 people in my family: my father, mother, brother, sister and me. Does your family live in a house or an apartment? We live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. How old is your mother? She is 40 years old, 1 year younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What is his or her name? इसको आप words भी pronounce कर सकते हैं. Words, his or her name. Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, David, and one younger sister, Mary. Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters? No, I'm not. I am the second child in my family. It is not I am. You should say that I am. What does your mother or father like? My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking. Do your parents let you stay out late? Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night. Do you stay with your parents? Right now, no, but I used to. Does your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mom always prepares the delicious meals for us. I hope you all are liking my YouTube video. If you want to start your speaking English course, you may contact me. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Share your reviews in comment section and explain about yourself in comment section. Means that you should have a clear concept about your introduction. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.